operations? No. Binary operations are, it is important for only 1, 2, 3 marks questions only. Okay. So functions, functions in these 5 marks questions are there. Functions, one exercise 1.2. It is there in the question bank. Solutions also there. So already we explained evening classes. Okay. Students understood what I'm telling? Evening class one day,
Yes.
I think 2 days back, I explained 5 marks questions. Okay, is there any doubt? Once you solve today all these 5 marks questions, is there any doubt? Tomorrow we will discuss. Okay. Next, binary operations. Listen carefully. This also little bit confusion. That's all, but easy only. In this 5 marks questions, you want to explain anything? Please tell me. In these 5 marks questions, you have any doubts? Please respond.
No
Hello.
doubt.
Respond all of you. Only 1 or 3 members are responding,
No,
students.
No
Please.
doubt, ma'am.
Yes,
No doubt.
no doubt, ma'am.
Enjum dual, students.
No doubt.
Enjum dual.
No doubt.
Enjum dual. Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Relations, we
No
have
doubt,
any
ma'am.
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Enjum dual. Okay, is it clear? Relations. So functions, 5 marks questions. Functions, 5 marks question. That is exercise 1.2 only. Respond, students, all of you. Next, binary operations.
Binary.
Yeah, tell me, bro. Tell me, students. Students, tell me. What's the doubt, ma?
Nothing.
Okay.
In binary
Next.
operation.
Yeah, next concept is binary operations. So exercise 1.1 completed. Exercise 1.2 is 5 marks questions. 1.3 is not there. It is deleted syllabus. Even PU and CBSE both students, I'm telling you. Next, this is exercise 1.4. Binary operations. See, students, binary operation is nothing but take any set, non-empty set. Now I'm taking capital S. Capital S be a non-empty set. Non-empty set. You can take any set, natural numbers, integers, real numbers, rational numbers, real numbers. Anything you can take, positive real numbers. Non-empty set. Now I'm taking one set S, non-empty set. In this students, I'm taking 2 elements, A comma B. A comma B belongs to same set S. Now I apply operation star. Apply operation star. This operation, students, in place of star, you can take plus, minus, multiplication, division. Plus, minus, into multiplication, division. A star B. If we apply any operation A star B, if we get output, no, okay. See, students, if you take any, here you can take any 2 elements, apply operation, then you can get output. Then you can get output. That output, take it as C. That C also belongs to same set S. That C also, that output also belongs to same set S. Students, here let take any non-empty set. In this non-empty set, I am taking 2 elements A comma B. These 2 elements belongs to same set only. Now we are applying any operation, then we'll get you some output. That output also belongs to same set. Then star is a binary operation on S. Binary operation on S. Star is a binary operation on S. For example, students, now I'm taking natural numbers. I'm taking natural numbers. Natural numbers. Now, in this natural numbers, I'm taking 2 elements, 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 belongs to natural numbers only. 1, apply operation, I'm taking operation is plus. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This 3 also belongs to natural numbers only. Na? 3 also belongs to natural numbers only. Na? So here, addition is binary operation on capital N. This is one example. Second example, students, now applying subtraction. Operation is I'm applying subtraction. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to, you can write minus 1. Minus 1 does not belongs to natural numbers. So subtraction is not
Not binary operation
okay,
on natural numbers.
number. Any doubt, students? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
Respond
No,
to-
ma'am.
Yeah. Next. Listen
1
carefully,
into
students.
2.
Next. Yeah, understood now all of you. Next we'll solve the exercise. Exercise is 1.4 problems. My exercise 1.4 problems. Now, here, first question is given this on Z plus defined star by A star B is equal to A minus B. You're given condition, students. A star B is equal to A minus B. On Z plus. On Z plus means positive integers. Positive integers. Students, in this positive integers, I'm taking two elements. 1, 2 is belongs to Z plus. Now here given condition, students, A star B is equal to A minus B. Here A is 1, B is 2. Substitute 1 star 2 is equal to 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. This is 1. A minus B is the output. Now 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. This minus 1 is the output. That output does not belongs to Z plus. Any doubt, students? Please respond.
No, madam.
Ma, my voice is clear or not? Please respond, ma. My voice is clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So we can write it as what, students? Star is not binary operation on Z plus. Okay. Now tell me second question. Second question. On capital R real number, students. Define star by A star B is equal to AB square. Now tell me, ma. Respond all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
If you ask anyone, no, just immediately leaving the group, right? You're immediately leaving the Zoom group.
Yes.
Right? Understood? That's why I'm not asking particularly. If you ask anyone, means immediately leaving the class. That is not at all good, students. If you don't know, means ask, we'll explain. Na? Tell me. Now tell me. Real numbers. Tell me, students, respond. All of you, please respond. If you don't know, means also please respond. Then I can understand. No. Please. Real
Ma'am,
numbers
take
means
root 2, root 3.
root 2, root 3 are those are all not real numbers, irrational numbers.
Oh, ma'am, but rational and irrational together are real number, no, ma'am?
No. That and all not there. Root 2, root 3, that and all irrational numbers. It is not does not belongs to real numbers.
Ma'am, doesn't it come under real number?
It is not irrational numbers. Now tell me other numbers. Tell me other numbers. Tell me other
2, 3.
numbers, please respond. Now I'm taking 1 by 2, 1 by 3. It is also real numbers. Student.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
You can take any numbers other than irrational numbers. Tell me other than complex numbers also. The complex
7,
numbers
8.
also it is not belongs to real number. Tell me anything, ma. Negative numbers, positive numbers, P by Q
-1,
form, rational
7.
numbers, whole numbers. Minus 1.
Minus 1, 2,
Tell.
7. 7.
Minus 1.
7.
7. Only 7. Plus
7 only,
7.
ma'am.
Yeah, you can take anything. Okay, you can take 1, 2 same numbers also. You can take it. Now substitute there. So minus 1 less 1 minus 1 star 7 is equal to
1 into 7 square,
1 into 7 square minus
which is
49.
minus 49. It
It
is not a binary operator on R.
It does not belongs to
Does not belong to, ma'am.
Why ma? -9 it is not belongs to
ये
capital
कौन
R.
इधर?
it
ये
belongs.
रियल नंबर क्या होता है? रेशनल इरेशनल के रियल नंबर ये बोल रही है नहीं है.
What ma? What's your tell me? What's your doubt? Tell me, please tell me. What's your doubt? Please tell me. Students.
Ma'am, my doubt is that rational real number consists of both rational and irrational.
Okay,
names.
okay. Wait.
Then
I
why
will
are you
explain
not putting
later.
irrational?
Later, I will explain. Wait ma. First, let me complete this question. Let me
Okay.
complete this question. Okay. Later, I will tell you. Okay. Now tell me. -9, -49 does not belongs to R. Belongs to R. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
-49 belongs to R or does not belongs to R?
Belongs to R.
Huh?
-49
-49 it belongs to R, does not belongs to R?
belongs to R, ma'am. Belongs to
Belongs.
R.
Belongs to R. So what's the condition you have to write?
Star is binary operation on R.
Star is
Therefore, star is by a binary operation on R.
okay. Next question. I will let out that method also. Next, on Z plus defined star by A star B is equal to A star B is equal to modulus of A minus B. Modulus of A minus B. Now tell me. Tell me example. Tell me example, students. Z plus. Students respond, ma. Hello. Hello, my voice is clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me. Z plus. Tell me examples. Z plus means positive integers. Now tell me.
1, 2.
Okay. 1, 2 belongs to Z plus. 1 star 2 is equal to modulus of 1 minus 2. Modulus of 1 minus 2 is
-1 which becomes +1.
1.
which is equal to what happened?
+1.
Plus 1 is belongs to.
Z plus.
Z plus.
Then how can you write this one?
Star is binary operator on R. Z
Star
plus.
is star is
Binary operator on Z.
okay. Next. Fourth point. On Q. Defined A star B is equal to B by 2. Now tell me. Q means students Q denotes rational number. Hello. Students, my voice is clear or not?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Q means what, ma? Rational number. Tell me example.
4 by 3.
4 by 3.
7.
Only
7.
7.
Yes, ma'am.
Rational number. It is the form of P by Q, right?
Yeah, 7 by 1.
Tell me. It is belongs to Q. So take easy numbers. Okay, na? Take easy numbers. Okay, then substitute there. 4 by 3 star 7 by 1 is equal to what is will get you? Tell me. 4 by 3 into 7 by 1 divided by 2. Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it will be 28 by 3 divided by 2.
What is the answer? Final answer.
Where 28 by 6.
It is belongs to R or what?
It belongs to R,
Q.
ma'am.
R or Q?
Q.
Okay. Then we
Ma'am,
can
without
write
taking
what?
example, we can do, no, ma'am?
We can't do. Take examples only. Okay, na? So star is a binary operation means that is take A and B are two elements belongs to that set. That output also belongs to that same set. Then only star is what you call binary operation on set. Tell me, star is binary operation
On Q.
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 Now tell me. Any doubts, students? Please respond.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
See that irrational number it belongs to the number or not. I will do tomorrow. Okay, na? Why? Because we are not taking in binary operations irrational numbers examples. Okay, students. Irrational numbers we are not at all considered as that are real numbers. Okay. First I will check it once and then I will tell you. Okay, clear, students? All of you. Students, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once note down ma or finished, completed?
Completed.
Yeah. So remaining that computative law, remaining types of laws are there. That is computative law. Next, associative laws, identity laws, and inverse law. Write down, students. Time is there still 48 only, na? Okay, students. Tomorrow we will discuss remaining. Okay, na?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Thanks.
thanks. Please once again all these problems and all once you practice. Okay, bye.